Hi, I'm Sue Whaley. I'm a teacher here at Smitham Middle School, a reading teacher. I teach 8th graders. I would say my most touching story as to why I know I'm doing what I should be doing is I had a young man who day one told me he didn't read, he didn't like to read, he wasn't going to read, and that it was just never going to happen. So I started with a very small, thin book about what happened due to Hiroshima. A very small book. And he liked it. And so I got to talking to him about his background and some interesting things. And he happened to mention that his parents had been in a gang in LA. So I found a great, firsthand account of someone who had been in a gang in LA. And he just wouldn't set the book down. Like I sometimes had to speak to him to pay attention in class because he was reading. And long story short, at the end of the school year, he was not only on level, he had moved to a C level and went off to high school on an AC ELA reading level. Huge, good, interesting books designed for men, young men, can really have on them. I tell kids all the time, if you don't love reading, it's because you just haven't found your books yet. That's why I think you should invest in me. Then I'll have more books to offer and get more kids on track. Can't really succeed in anything if you can't succeed at reading.